नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं चैनल वन। अलायंस बिजनेस कनेक्ट मीटिंग का आयोजन 23 अगस्त को पार्क टाइम कोलकाता में संपन्न किया गया। आइए हमारे चैनल के माध्यम से देखते हैं मीटिंग कैसा रहा।
Which will be sent in the group by tomorrow. There will be cash award of rupees 3,000 to the best performer, rupees 2,000 for the second best performer, and rupees 1,000 for the third best performer as per the following point structure. Number 2, Mr. Rahul. This team have excluded Mr. Brij Mohan Mundra and Mr. Rajesh Sethi, who were at the top.
Okay, I got that equivalent amount of 3,000, 2,000 and 1,000.
But yes,
He's from a cash na? Cash na, that is a better incentive.
exactly, because cash is a booster point.
Rupees 50 lakhs cost is value per member and about 120 members by September 2024. Fortnightly presentation in 30 seconds. This is the time in the meeting where we give a brief moment to continue the process of educating fellow member. Good evening, ABC. Ritufalam. So we are basically into dry fruits, as you all know, and Durga Puja and Deepavali is approaching. So I would like to request you all that please gear up your contacts, and if you have any corporate connections or you have some big gifting plans for the Deepavali or Durga Puja, please get in touch with us.
मैं एंटर किया तो एक मेंबर मेरे पास आके पूछी आपका कैटेगरी क्या है। मेंबर से कुछ सवाल पूछूंगा, मेरा नाम क्या है, जोर से प्लीज। थैंक
Sir Vishesh Bagla from Kiran Transport Private Limited.
Nayan Mukherjee, I am your stockbroking partner for this chapter.
I am Rajapal representing my company SRT Automation.
Founder of Monk Monday, a digital marketing company.
गुड इवनिंग एबीसी।
We know your name.
Tips for the day is if anybody is facing any relationship related problem in his life, then there are 3 directions he has to check whether there is any problem in those directions. One is north and northwest, second is southwest, and third is east. So I would like to say here, like, prevention is better than cure. तो पहले ही आप प्रिकॉशन ले लो जिससे कि आप बीमार नहीं पड़ो. So it is better to get your property checked before you take a decision to buy that property, because once you have bought the property, it is very difficult sometimes to do the vastu corrections in those property, because those problems are very critical which cannot be rectified.
Everyone, behind every attractive room is a good reason. Hi, I am interior designer Richa Mosati. For any interior, please connect to me.
Good evening everyone, my name is Anshika Khanchandani and I am substituting Mr. Rakesh Khanchandani.
कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा बेटा हमारा, ऐसा काम करेगा। पापा के सिर्फ कहने से कुछ नहीं होगा, पापा को बच्चों के सपनों के लिए प्लानिंग करनी पड़ेगी।
This is Ayush Minwala from Flow Walls Interiors. We are your premium interior designing partner. From residential to commercial with all given budget.
दुनिया में बहुत है मेरे पास, मगर तुम कुछ खास हो, ये जताने दोगे क्या? देखा था एक डेमो में जिसको देख के सब कुछ दिखने लगा जिंदगी में, अब तुम्हें दिखाना चाहता हूँ, दिखाने दोगे क्या? दिखाने देंगे?
Products are 100% vegan, cruelty free, skin friendly and fully made to order. I am also carrying samples with myself. Please kindly take a look at it. We have 50 ml segment, a 30 ml segment, as well as others of 8 and 12 ml. So please, after the meeting, kindly have a look at it.
Please wait for my presentation today. Thank you.
Good evening, this is Mayur Shah. We are in the business of electricals and new age construction. Our main clients are all architects, interiors and builders. Whenever needs a connect, you can call. People to buy their dream homes for past 12 years. Introducing stock of the week, 700 square feet office space available on resale in heart of Calcutta at Dalhousie location.
EIO, without advisors, we make bad deals. EIO, with a contract dispute here and a criminal case there, there's a penalty, there's a fine, everywhere loss. Old MacDonald's had to close the startup. A-I-O. Moral of the story. Better to have expert advice now than facing losses later. Hello everyone, I am Meenu Tulsian, Company Secretary. And
Gyanveer and I'm representing ITK Solutions. We are distributors of Shard और अभी का जो मौसम है मानसून का मौसम उसमें बहुत ह्यूमिडिटी की इश्यूज होती है और साथ ही बहुत सारे जर्म्स बैक्टीरिया का भी इशू होता है. So try out Sharp air purifiers and dehumidifiers, especially dehumidifier which is a 2-in-1 product. For more details you can get in touch with me and I can discuss in details.
People eat vada, enjoy samosa, pani puri, enjoy party with several drinks, chew tobacco without thinking twice. But once I start writing prescription for them, they ask me in seriousness, with a lot of seriousness, hey doc, I hope this medicine has no side effects. So, अगर आपको medicine नहीं लेना है, तो it is advisable to do your blood testing.
Lovely evening, ABC friends. Myself Vinith from Satyam Catering. We do all type of corporate event for food catering. So we do corporate as well as personal event also, like marriage event or any type of get-together program we arrange. Thank you. Myself.
Good evening, ABC. I Archana Patulia from Ayushi Collection. I deal with all types of imitation jewelries. Please.
मेरा नाम अनुराग तिवारी, नाम तो सुना ही होगा आप लोगों. द्वापर में युद्ध हुआ था द्रौपदी के सम्मान में और कलयुग ने तो कसर न छोड़ी नारी के अपमान में. फप्तियां कसते हर फल रसते, नजरों से जो चीर हर लेते, ऐसे दानों इस जग में बसते. जिस माँ की कोख से जन्म लिया उस माँ के नाम पे गाली देते. हार गई कोई कन्या तो खुश होकर ताली देते. कभी दिल्ली कभी कोलकाता, निर्भया को तो यहाँ सिर्फ भय सताता. याद करो, अरे वो भूल गए क्या? त्रेता से लेकर द्वापर तक जब नारी का अपमान हुआ तो युद्ध वो भीषण अपार हुआ. और कलयुग में तो बस जलती मोमबत्ती की लौ धीमी है और कोने में बैठी नारी सहमी सहमी है. कहती है, हे रघुनंदन हे माधव, अब तो अवतार धरो, कलयुग में दानव आ बैठे हैं, आकर इनका संगार करो. थैंक यू.
Myself Pratik Lohia. I'm representing my firm Vemexam Technologies.
Hey ABC. Myself Anirudh Agarwal and I represent my firm Excel Devkan Private Limited.
This is Poonam Chandak. गुस्सा आता है क्या? गुस्सा करना चाहिए? नहीं करना चाहिए. हम सभी जानते हैं कि नहीं करना चाहिए, मगर आ जाता है. What is the real truth behind high BP? गुस्सा. Diabetes. गुस्सा. इंडिया में 60% पॉपुलेशन हाई बीपी और डायबिटीज से पीड़ित है. खुद के बॉडी को तो फ्लश आउट करते हैं, बट अपने माइंड को फ्लश आउट नहीं करते हैं, विच ऑलवेज गोज बाय नेगेटिविटी. हम दिन भर में अगर 10 बातें सोचते हैं तो उसमें से 8 बातें हमारे मन की नहीं होती है, 2 ही मन की हो पाती है. सो 8 times when negativity is faced by our mind, what happens to it? Toxins generate होते हैं. Are we really flushing those toxins? No. कैसे करेंगे वो सब? The only way is you and you only. हमको हमारी पहचान हमारी खुद से होनी चाहिए और उसके लिए हमें आंखें बंद करके बैठना होगा, शांत होना होगा, ध्यान करना होगा, मेडिटेशन. और मेडिटेशन के पहले थोड़ी प्रिपरेशन जरूरी है, विच इज योगा. सो बेसिकली आई एम योर वेलनेस एक्सपर्ट एंड थैंक यू फॉर ब्रिज भैया फॉर 1,70,000 business given to Kimisada.
And further better more shelves in future. Actually, I'm sure of them from Manav Shayagi. I'm representing on our behalf of Shyamal Kumar Padri. You all know him. Actually, we are providing HR context, all HR auditing and HR laws and legal, all the duty.
Actually, Burma. Your stock market partner.
Myself Saket Gupta, owner of NVT Mobile India. We are the dealer of all major brand of mobile phones and we also deal in accessories and smart gadgets.
Rahul Padi from Rahul exporting cars, fabric, garments to
European countries from last 2 decades.
Myself, Alexander Aditya Kasera. ऑनलाइन सेल के दौरान खरीदारी से पहले हम 2 बार नहीं सोचते, लेकिन जीवन बीमा खरीदने के लिए हम 100 बार सोचते हैं। Amazon, फ्लिपकार्ट पर सेल हर साल होता रहेगा, लेकिन बढ़ती उम्र के साथ जीवन बीमा कर पाना मुश्किल हो जाएगा क्योंकि स्वास्थ्य समस्या बढ़ रही है। जीवन बीमा सबसे अच्छा उपाय है। इतने महत्वपूर्ण विषय पर ज़्यादा न सोचें, मुझे आज ही कॉल करें, अपने परिवार को एक अमूल्य उपहार दें।
Myself Rakesh Jaiswal, owner of famous and one of the first homestay in Havra, Ganga Bitan Abode. We have started taking booking for Puja vacation.
Good evening ABC. Myself Shubham Agrawal, representing my firm Mediseva Healthcare Limited. We have all healthcare facilities under one roof. We have facilities of sample collection from your home or offices. We have very economical preventive health packages, which I will float in group today.
Your life insurance friend. Government has increased tax on short-term and long-term capital gain.
Total tourism industry is specialist in air ticket and international packages. Thank you.
Bright evening ABC. Myself Manoj Chandak from Right World, dealing in all type of rides. Please do visit our showroom near Padarkot. Thank you. Signing off.
Good evening. Good evening ABC. My name is Partho Bhattacharya. So my company name is Silicon Systems. So we are basically into ERP and CRM space. And
Libisada from the House of Arya Jewels. We are into all kind of costume jewelry close to real look. Our USP is that we take back our Swarovski made on silver with 50% cashback. Business given to Nancy Vasa 450. Business received from Poonam Chandak. Thank you, signing off, Kim sir.
Good evening, members. Good evening. Do we buy rotten vegetables? No. If by chance we get them, what do? We have to peel off the rotten portion and cook the rest. Or otherwise, we have to throw the entire vegetable. Similarly, when we are thinking of purchasing a new property, maybe it's a residence or office or factory, we expect that we make the right choice related to the correct layout, shapes, directions and energy level. I, Rajiv Sikri, Vastu Function Numerous Consultant, can help you with the correct selection concerning your health, wealth, abundance and prosperity for all your future generations to prosper and full utility of good investments assured. Thank you.
Good evening everyone once again. Myself Sweetie Mantri from Desi Desi. I would like to know if anyone remembers the tagline which I always use. You mind that you could just remember a tagline which I always use. So obvious बात है अगर tagline नहीं याद नहीं है तो last month Rajiv ji made sure to arrange a power date, solo power date along with he's a GM. And उस समय बात काफी ठंडी मीठी सी थी कि हाँ ठीक है कुछ कर लेंगे आगे, but I'm glad to say that person remembers कि हाँ ठीक है power date हुई है, काम देना है, testing हुई थी, सब कुछ निकला। They started working last time 14th अगस्त का जो 15th अगस्त का इवेंट था, तो उन्होंने 14th को they had the corporate meet, उन्होंने पूरे अपने इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए जो भी उनको bosses था, they ordered and I closed a deal, first deal of 25,000 this time. Rajiv ji.
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, friends. Myself. Good evening, friends. Good evening. आवाज नहीं आ रही. Should I give mic to each and everyone? I'm not able to understand why this low voice, why this low.
Once again.
Anyway, good evening, friends. Myself. Good evening. And that's better. Good evening, friends. Myself, Birmohan Modra from Tamil Corporate Consultants Private Limited. We are into loans for last 25 years, having a portfolio of around 5,000 crores, maintaining that for last 3 to 4 years, and empaneled with 54 financial institutions, including NBFC, bank, and private banks. Today I am talking about something special, MSME schemes. Government has given a lot of MSME schemes, and I can say one thing: everyone has something from government in this particular scheme. कुछ किसी के पास 10 लाख का काम है तो उसके लिए भी फंड है, किसी के पास 5 करोड़ का काम है तो उसके लिए भी है. Even for startup, we have got 10 crore collateral free loan for startup. I am looking at Milo for startup because that is going to have 10 crore collateral free loan recent scheme by government, and government is coming with something of 100 crore for any MSME which is under stress. They are going to have 100 crore loans for MSME which are into stress. Anyway, I will do one-to-one with each of you for this particular scheme. As far as my activities are concerned, one-to-one with Surendra Agrawal, Rahul Irawat, Poonam Chandak and Mayur Shah. He is saying that my tagline is not known to anyone. I can say one thing, there is some defect in her marketing. She has to look into something that is very serious. If Rishi is saying, those who are saying I think they are very proper as far as wedding is concerned. But somewhere down the line, I feel they are missing as far as one-to-one is concerned, or they are not able to give an impact on the persons. Because guideline नहीं मालूम है city का, ये शायद not good for our entire chapter. It is for city and DC. Please try to focus something more. You need to एक हफ्ते में 2 मीटिंग करनी पड़ेगी. अगर तो बिजनेस क्या देंगे? अगर मेरे को मालूम है साकेत मोबाइल का काम करता है तो मैं साकेत को क्या बिजनेस को मोबाइल का बिजनेस दे दूंगा.
कॉर्पोरेट के साथ कनेक्ट हो सकता है.
It will be a long affair, long to.
10 मिनट लगेगा.
I think that will not be better idea.
चलिए ठीक है.
You can go with put the name in the group.
देखिए क्या होता है.
Everyone is expected to put the name in the group.
बात समझिए, यहाँ पे जब हम लोग एक रोस्टर के लिए गूगल फॉर्म फ्लोट करते हैं, वही कोई फिलअप नहीं.
वो तो मेरी दुकान 1+1 उतना काफी है. 50 पे 50 आ जाए, 60 पे 60 आ जाए, काफी है. So it will be mandatory for everyone to bring one visitor. अभी तक अपना कॉन्टैक्ट बुक खोल लीजिए और एक विजिटर का नाम लिख लीजिए. 13th of next month. Our grand visitor day. We are there and we will come back to Park 30th of this month. I'm sorry for delayed information, but we are going to have social on Friday next. On 30th of this month, we are going to have socials. 30th change our norm.